Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell prompt customization. In this video, you'll learn how to transform your command line experience by customizing the appearance of your PowerShell prompt. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a personalized prompt that matches your workflow and style. The PowerShell prompt is the text displayed before your cursor in the terminal window. It typically shows PS followed by your current directory path and a greater than symbol. This prompt indicates that PowerShell is ready and waiting for you to type commands. It updates automatically as you navigate between different folders. PowerShell uses a special built-in function called prompt to control what you see at the command line. This function runs automatically every time PowerShell is ready for a new command. The beauty of this design is that you can override this function to change your prompt appearance completely. By redefining the prompt function, you gain full control over what appears before your cursor. The default prompt function returns the letters PS, followed by the current directory path obtained from the execution context session state, and ends with a greater than symbol. This function uses a special variable that automatically tracks your current location in the file system. The return string is what you see displayed in your terminal before each command. Let's create a simple custom prompt. You can define a new prompt function that returns any text you want. For example, returning a rocket emoji followed by a greater than symbol will replace the default prompt entirely. When you execute this function, your prompt changes immediately to show the rocket emoji. This demonstrates how easy it is to personalize your command line interface. You can make your prompt much more useful by adding dynamic information that updates automatically. In this example, we retrieve the current time using getDate formatted as hours, minutes, and seconds. We also get the username from the environment variable. The function then returns a string containing the time in brackets, followed by the username and a greater than symbol. This creates a prompt that shows real-time information with every command you execute. To make your custom prompt permanent, you need to add it to your PowerShell profile. First, open your profile file by typing Notepad followed by $profile. This opens the profile script in Notepad. Next, paste your custom prompt function into this file and save it. Finally, restart PowerShell or open a new session. Your custom prompt will now load automatically every time you start PowerShell, making your changes permanent across all future sessions. Let's review the key points. The prompt function controls what appears before your cursor in PowerShell. You can override this function to display custom text, emojis, or dynamic information like time and username. To make your changes permanent, add your custom function to the PowerShell profile file accessed through $profile. With these techniques, you can customize your command line to match your workflow and personal style. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.